Kumas Asante Kotoko has officially unveiled their 2023-2024 season ABC the kits on Misu the Dijumano. Finally, Kotoko etimi unveil our social media platforms and our website Kotoko etimi unveil this kit this season and Kumas Asante Kotoko ebe isu na omode edi omudwuma Jesus ne de efe ye pa na season we bon se Kotoko esi akan a bon so logo no ebo omubonkum so no na bon se atwe THB enso ewo mu nifa so that's the main brand na afi ombe sponsor Kumas Asante Kotoko enso honum last season no bon se na na ya mponsa honum na dwumadi a na so dwumaku a from the era for no na sponsor Kumas Asante Kotoko eba training kit ne omu Jesus na ngasa so omu sia kan league ni ma na era for no na sponsor Kumas Asante Kotoko ina nim se opemso na ositutu otumfo dissolve Kotoko board no amani sa inform new IMC omo na ehwe amase Kotoko dwumadi ebekoso bia no akoso no openi anom mpanifo mo da no etimi abomodin the new kit sponsor from THB and afi omo best sponsor Kumas Asante Kotoko ewo honum na THB ko bubusa se na THB nso efin because wo kan Nike wo ka Adidas mo na sankofo no omudin ewo system no mu dada THB no the Hope Air brand that omo Germany company onye say Germany omo de mu Ghana ni awabet ote can say Germany and as a Ghana ni obezi wo Germany na sa company na ono etimi just fefefe say ade ama Kumas Asante Kotoko on sponsor Kumas Asante Kotoko with Jesus nkwampo normal akobetimi a sponsor Kumas Asante Kotoko afi no ana na make no ohwe Jesus egu screen so ya kokoyi onimi se Kumas Asante Kotoko the home Jesus and kokoyi nti afi no ye bi isu ready and the bebo a home matches no Kumas Asante Kotoko be isu just ready Jesus and the abo home matches no black Asanteman colors no yellow and green and black ka wum kakra no Kumas Asante Kotoko be isu sa jesi so moko away matches and on be isu sa jesi no and ahwe fita ya red lines be ewo mu na se Kumas Asante Kotoko away and omo bo home ni bia omo jesi no omo use no say red and na say yellow and green no say any opponent no omo ni hia no aboma then Kumas Asante Kotoko will be using this third jersey no the SC akan and so on. So the red jersey will be using as home will be using when Kotoko are playing home matches, and the yellow and green will be using for away matches, and the red the white with the red lines will be using as a third jersey for 2023-2024 season. Kotoko the THB company will also sponsor Kotoko with training kits. This training kit is very nice. Okay, training kit the way are green, no, yellow, ne, it's very nice. So this will be the Kotoko training kit for 2023-2024 season. And so and they also sponsor Kotoko with match day jerseys. So Kotoko cool game. Now on say normally no European teams no more commuting share among Kadi anyone konebano Kotoko cool game home matches and I say omu game nangasa Kotoko be using this Kadi for match day on Besha Antari now also the into match day on Besa Momo Kotoko for so training kit in America. This will be another training kit. So when you see bakuna white watch now, they'll be using this one also to do training. Anytime they'll be training, but they'll also using this. The whole brand will also provide jerseys for fan pick every week. Last season, Kotoko was doing this thing now. So week season you can say week you can they pick one fan normal action there. This season the whole brand the jerseys are come one. Week in why bit I pick you and this is if you know you'll be getting summer. I would suggest you know the bought dress be fatal year. So the whole brand baso will be their grow they are coming to work. So this jerseys or this entire you know because Adama fan fan pack for no yes sorry fan pack for and this jersey we edebema Kotoko so ebetimi anya training and I say training and a mad vest on say ebisia kan bia na aya warm up no nko ne ba no the Hope brand everything as sponsor Kotoko with this match vest and as a training vest, you know. The Hope brand for so ebeko so as sponsor Kotoko with this ombesa mbo mo ama fan pack for no so no betimi enya saa echewe ni saa bag e bo yemu no yeah. Kumas Asante Kotoko will be getting this from the Hope brand. We this we so so more camper. Yes, omo a camper ntare omo be share e dey awo omo campo eni omo ko hye ntare basa bia. This will be the dress na Kotoko ewo efia na so omo camper omo be dress sa ntare we say dey be brand no e be solidified enso ewo honum omo be sa aboa so e washing bag and I say wash bag and I say e dey aboa ma Kotoko for so mo ko sia kan bia na bag Kotoko ma Asante Kotoko e dey omo ntare be gu no. The whole brand should be providing the Kumas Asante Kotoko. We enso mad day no so mo kusi akan adam be hye mo awejisi yellow and black no that we no be hye we as a mad day before so mo be den baby bia on nti pepepe sa pepepe and it on Kumas Asante Kotoko season there ese omo ebenya normal kama omo ebetimi esi akan ye goalkeepers no so no se Kotoko esi akan ewufia no mo shom regis na sajis we efita we ana Kumas Asante Kotoko goalkeeper no a obedemu that day no ebehye se Kotoko ehye red no so ehye fita we a ye de red aye ansensan se Kotoko so ekwa we no mo shom mo yellow and green na Kotoko so behye goalkeeper no so behye sa green color we the black then the etwemu no we be the third jersey e dey ama Kumas Asante Kotoko goalkeeper ana Kotoko so kwa we se na make no mo show yellow and green na omo behye keeper no so behye sa jersey na also e da dapom e da ama Kumas Asante Kotoko enso e wo honum. So far so good, the whole brand aba provide a normal bebre na di ama Kumas Asante Kotoko season e be ramu e de we this year a very nice year pa Kotoko sha empena e bo se bibia be ko kama na no mo bitimi omo ni so ade hu se omo be so mo di league no mo ko Africa na de Kotoko na enim no omo sa de sa spirit no e back to this season we are praying some omo hopes nya no ebe mo honum and no first time e channel yi so a make sure say obe subscribe e di amame na de share ma onua ma mu adwenche famfa Kumas Asante Kotoko the whole brand new jerseys here are providing the amount more ma me hu adwenche famfa ho medini de enwa na escapa official obetimi a share video across all social media platforms obetimi so follow across all social media platforms and so